Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have an iPhone 11 here. You saw this one in that other video, which I'll have in the description. Anyways, iOS 26 developer beta is out, so let's install it. Yeah. Why did I turn on flash? I don't know. Okay, so now we go into general, and then we go into software. No. Oh my god, no. We go into software update, and there we go, iOS 26 beta. So it's, that's a very nice number. We got 7Z, and a nice number. Cool. Anyways, let's just update the device now. Oh, okay. And it's doing something. Oh, update requested. Okay, so yeah, we are on the iOS 26 developer beta. You could go into the stable thing. You could go into the iOS 26 developer beta, iOS 18 public beta, and the iOS 18 developer beta. So interesting. And as you can see, it's gonna take 14 minutes. So yeah, let's hope that it. 13 minutes. Okay, so let's hope that it actually doesn't take too long, because please don't. Also, update on the Lenovo situation. I just transferred over all of my video files, so that's very good. And I got Google Drive set up. I got the internet back. I'm probably gonna do some Windows updates now. So yeah. Hey guys, this is a sneak peek, but we're getting the iOS 26 beta. So yeah, pretty good. So yeah, iOS 26 beta. Let's go. Yo, what? Oh my, bro. Yo, it's verifying the update. We're gonna get into iOS 26. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why it's so loud, it's because I have the fan on. Yeah. Oh, by the way, we switched rooms. This is what my setup looks like. Oh my god. Oh no, the eyes. And I just realized I lost all my DaVinci Resolve projects. Yeah, this is fun. Oh look, the phone's doing something. It just turned off. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? Yeah, it's actually very. Oh look, we got an Apple logo that turned red for 1 second, but whatever. We have another Apple logo which has way too much glare because for some reason. Oh yeah, this thing has so many. Look at how many fingerprints on this phone. I should probably clean it, so I'll be back after cleaning a phone. Yeah. Okay, so I have no idea how much better this is. It's not that good, but as you can see, the update is happening. I mean, it's happening very slowly, but it's happening. You know what, guys? I decided I'm gonna start editing this video right now because I have nothing else to do. Actually, no, I do have something else to do, and that's editing the Windows 10 upgrade saga. So, or I could start re-editing the Windows XP development history, or I could edit the Dell Inspiron 3535 review video, or I could just record an entirely new video. I have so many choices. I don't know what to do. Oh wow! Oh, for a sec I thought it was almost done. Yeah, no, it's not almost done. The camera just made it look like it was almost done. But it's only this much done. How is this video less than a minute long so far? Anyways, I'm gonna go record a new video because I feel like that's gonna be the actual good thing. And yeah, I have to go get OBS Studio installed. Okay, bye. Obviously I don't mean bye like the video is over. I meant see you in the next clip. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm doing this so terrible. Okay, before I do this, I just want to show the setup again for no reason. Anyways, we got the laptop, which is the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 14 API. We got a mouse, a trackpad. Oh, by the way, this is the laptop the Windows 10 upgrade saga was on. As you can see there, the stickers. Anyways, we got a fan. It's going at full speed right now. Anyways, we got the creepy charger thing. Look at that charger. Doesn't that look like it's about to fall off? Doesn't that look like it's going to fall off? Personally, it does, okay? I don't know I don't know how this works. Because as you can see, it is charging. So I don't know how that works. So yeah, that's strange, you know. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, it's on the hello screen. So yeah. Oh crap. Apparently it's low on battery, but this is the new low battery layout, so that's cool. Yeah, so software update has been completed. Stolen device protection, let's not turn that on because I mean, I don't really need it. And this is taking 50,000 because I really don't want accessing your saved passwords. Oh wait, isn't that already on? Whatever. Apple Pay is not going to be set up. I'm going to set that up later. And iPhone analytics. Yeah, you can't turn that off. That's... Don't share app analytics. I don't want to. Please just stop. Like, please. And welcome to iPhone. And as you can see, this is the new glass design. We got a new preview app where you can open it up and I don't know, preview stuff. I don't really know. We also got this games app where you can I think you can go and see all of your games. Yeah, whatever, continue. I just wanna I'll be right back. So anyways, this keyboard actually looks pretty nice, to be honest. Why does it say F here? That is so confusing. Don't. Anyways, we're gonna not be using a goddamn F customize to gotta change the... No, I want to change what the text has. So instead of F, we're just gonna put a 7. Cause it does haptic feedback now. Bro, that makes it so much better, to be honest. I don't know. That just makes it like unable to save. That's strange. I mean, this thing does have bugs, so I mean, I guess. Whatever. Let's just continue. Apparently this nickname isn't available. Whatever. We're not gonna even go into there. But one thing that I want to show is the new glass icons. Edit home screen. So now, if we tap on this edit button, I'm pretty sure we can click customize, and we can set it to clear. And what this does is make all the icons look like this, which actually does not look bad at all. This looks pretty sick, to be honest. It looks really, really nice. I really like this. If we go into like settings, this is not settings. This is Find My iPhone. Whatever. We're gonna close out of that. And if we go into settings, it applies there too. As you can see, it looks like a bubble. And as you can see, the toggles are now a bubble, so that's really, really nice. Yeah, the toggles are now bubbles. I'm pretty sure sliders are bubbles too. Let's figure that out. Apparently there's no search. Oh, the search is on the bottom, so I'm really glad Apple did that. So yeah, as you can see, there is haptic feedback. I don't think you can hear it, but oh, there's no okay. But as you can see, the buttons are now more rounded. Oh wait, I just saw it right there. There's the sliders. As you can see, the sliders look really, really cool. They look like a bubble. That's like really nice. I really do like that. And yeah, that's basically iOS 26. I really don't know what else there is to cover here. This is it looks more glass now. Oh yeah, the flashlight and camera, they were already pretty flash. I want to see. Oh yeah, the camera. As you can see, the camera app has a bunch of new things. Like, not bunch, but it just looks better. Also, I never even knew that you could actually pause using the dang video. I didn't know that. But yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. So yeah, that's basically iOS 26. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.